Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. My name is David and today we are going to talk about something very useful, which is creating automation tools using AI even if you don't know how to code. Imagine this problem. You've got two links and you want to check if the second one exists in the first one. When dealing with a single case, it's okay to do it manually. But if you are working with a bunch of data, it's preferred to get an automation here to make your life easier. Now let's see how we can do it manually. For that, I'm going to use the c9.ai webpage and navigate to the blog section. So we can check one article as an example. Here we can choose any article we want. When navigating through the article, we can choose any backlink that we want to check. Copy it. And now starts the interesting part. We need to navigate to the first link's HTML code section, which we can do by right-clicking and going into the inspect section, or just by pressing F12 on your keyboard. Now here in the elements section, we hit the Ctrl F button to open a search bar and insert here the second article we just copied. As you can see, we got a match here, which means the second article exists in the first one. As you saw, it's okay to do it manually, as I mentioned, if you are working with a small bunch of data. But now we are going to jump straight into using AI to automate it. Now we navigate to ChatGPT and we write our prompt here, which is giving a full instruction set to the chat. Here we got our response from the chat, and here we can see we got three main parameters here. The first and second ones are the links we want to check, and the return part is the one that we get the true or false based on the result. Let's immediately jump to the Google Sheets now and navigate to the extensions area and the app script, where we are going to paste our code here. As we can see here, our code accepts two parameters, link 1 and link 2, which are going to be checked. And as we showed it manually, it goes and validates if the link 2 exists in the first one. Based on that, we get our result. It's either true or false. Don't forget to save your project. And now our custom function is ready to use. Please pay close attention to this naming, as this is the one you are going to use in the Google Sheets. Now that our custom function is fully ready, let's try to use it. As you can see here, I'm prepared an example, which we are going to use here. Remember the function name we created? We're going to use it now. For the link 1, we use this input, and the link 2, the next beside it. We hit the enter, and now we got the result, which is true. Now that we got new data to test on, let's drag and drop the same function to see the results. Congratulations! Now you have your own custom function created by AI, which you can use in Google Sheets. If this video was useful to you and you want more interesting content like this, please make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell button.